In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of reaching out to customer support via chat on the Temu website. Navigating customer support systems can often feel like a daunting task, but with a few straightforward clicks, you can easily connect with someone who can help answer your questions or resolve any issues you might be facing. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Temu website. If you're unfamiliar with Temu, it's a user-friendly platform known for its varied services and offers accessible support options to assist you with any inquiries. As you make your way to the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout, as this will help you maneuver through their options more efficiently. Once you're on the Temu homepage, the next step is to look towards the upper part of your screen. Here, you should find a menu bar with several options. This is where you need to direct your attention, as it's key to accessing the support features. Move your cursor over to the Support section in the menu bar. It might take a few seconds for any drop-down options to appear, so don't worry if you have to hover for a moment. When the drop-down menu appears, locate and click on the option labeled Chat with Temu. This function is pivotal for initiating a conversation with their customer service team. Clicking this will likely open a chat window, directing you to a chatbot or a customer service representative equipped to assist you with your query. Engaging in a chat with support can be incredibly effective and time-saving. Here, you can type out your questions or describe your situation in detail. If you ever feel uncertain about what to ask or how to phrase your concerns, it's perfectly okay. The customer service team is there to understand and help you, so feel free to describe your issue in simple terms. Remember, when interacting through chat, make sure you have any relevant details handy. This could include account information, order numbers, or specific error messages. Providing these details up front can help streamline the support process, making it easier and faster for the support team to deliver assistance. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully contacted Temu's customer support. In closing, it's always a good idea to have patience and to be clear about your needs to ensure that the support team can provide the best possible assistance. If at any point you need to access support again, you now know exactly how to do so without any hesitation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, take care and happy navigating on Temu.